Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Bytes channel. Today we have something a little bit different than usual. We are going to be doing our first unboxing video. What better way to start off a new series than to kick it off with a brand new product? What I have in front of me is the GameBall Trackball. This is a project that I've been following for a very long time, and I'm extremely excited to finally have one in front of me that I get to review. Also, shout out to Eric for helping to hook me up with one of these. I really look forward to being hands-on with it. Now, a little bit about GameBall. If you're not familiar with it, it's going to look somewhat similar to a Logitech Trackman Marble, although my understanding is that it brings a lot of additional features such as scrolling, additional buttons, better sensors, all of the stuff you really want out of a modern trackball, and it packages it up in a somewhat similar design, but I think what we're going to find is that it's going to be much more ergonomic. At least that's what I've seen. So again, this is just an unboxing video. The full review will be out in a couple weeks. I always like to test out the trackballs for about 2 to 3 weeks, so that way I can see all aspects of them and put them through all of the different hoops that I like to run them through for my reviews. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. All right, so let's see what we have in front of us. We have this nice ominous black packaging. It almost looks like a bomb or something, but I do appreciate the handle with care sticker. You don't see that too often with packages, so I'm glad that hopefully the carriers got the message here. I'm not familiar with if this is going to look like any kind of Logitech box with the pictures on there. I really haven't seen any unboxing with GameBall at all. So it does kind of have just this outer layer. Let's see if I can peel this off. I need to cut it one more time. There we go. Looks like we might have opened it up upside down. Definitely have the tape here going for us. This is not the most elegant unboxing, unfortunately. Nice. So here we have the GameBall box. Nice, clean packaging. The gaming trackball mouse. We can see it right there. And just has the logo. Nice link to the website right there. Good deal. It's nice, sturdy, solid cardboard here, which is what I like to see, so that way, nothing inside is really going to be shaken up too much and damaged. The box it was perfectly packaged, so I don't expect anything. There's no crunched corners or anything. So overall, very happy with it. I like to keep, one of those weird guys that likes to keep all the boxes. I keep them stacked up in a drawer in my office, and this just helps keep it nice and neat, tucked away when not in use. All right, good deal. So we have right on top, we have a nice quick start guide. Just kind of gives some of the overview. Oh, nice, it's like a little fold-out pamphlet. Very professional looking. Like I said, I wasn't quite sure what to expect. I haven't seen any other unboxings of GameBall, but this is really, really nice. They have a link over to the YouTube channel where you can see the getting started video. And I guess we'll probably have to check that out. I'll be sure to cover that in the review when we get to that point. But yeah, this is great. Looks like it has everything that you would really want to see. Nice description of all the buttons. Okay. We have an addendum as well, which is 2 new features. Okay, looks like different button presses and things like that. We'll cover that as well in the video. Game your way. I like it. Oh, very nice. It's going to be unique, and there it is. This is the first time that I have even really seen one. I've kind of purposely been holding off until I got my own, just because I wanted to go in completely blind. But my excitement level is absolutely through the roof with this particular trackball. I've just been following it for so long, it's hard to believe I finally have one in front of me. All right, it's kind of folded up here in the back. Let's get this out of the way. There we go. Finally fished it through the hole. Okay, let's get this out of our way. Let's see what we have. Comes in a nice kind of package here. A little plastic bag to keep it from getting scuffed up. Let's get the twisty tie off. Sorry, hands are always too shaky to be able to do these gracefully. And here we have it. So this is the GameBall. Right off of the bat, I don't want to get into starting to review it. We'll save that for a couple weeks out. But the smoothness of the ball right here cannot be overstated. I mean, this is incredible. It's I can't describe it. It's like the M570, which in my mind, the M570 and the Trackman Marble were some of the most smooth trackballs. For whatever reason, Logitech just kind of went off and made them worse over the years with the M575 and the MX Ergo, but this is even better. I mean, this is absolutely incredible. I'm gonna have to do some research to see what bearings we have, but fantastic ball feel. It looks nice and solid. Weight-wise, you're probably right around the same weight as the Logitech Trackman Marble, so it does have some good heft to it. But yeah, I'm super excited. This is actually looking almost a little bit of a hybrid between the Trackman Marble and maybe like a Kensington Orbit or something, kind of with the flare out here at the sides. So, all right, good deal. That's really all I had planned. Just wanted to kind of share that unboxing experience. I know I hadn't seen any videos like that out there, so figured we would add to it. Super excited. I'm gonna go run and plug this in right now and get started with testing it out. But thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in just a couple weeks with the full review of the GameBall Trackball. Catch you guys then. Thanks for watching.